This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable website images on the Firefox app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the Firefox app. To enable or disable website images, by default website images are probably enabled, but you might want to disable them if you have a data cap or something. But to enable them or disable them, you want to go down to the lower right corner, down to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Then you'll go down to where it says Browsing, tap on Browsing. And then you'll slide down just a little ways to right here. You can see it says Block Images. By default, that is probably toggled off like you see mine is. But if you toggle that on, I will now be blocking website images. And to disable that, you just toggle it back off. Now I'm allowing website images. That is how to enable or disable website images on the Firefox app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.